I'm back at my favorite farm. We're still out here in Geed Deeble. I'm starting to love it here. And this has all been turned. This used to be tomatoes, so now there's onions in here. And my little cuties over here working. That's like me if I was born in the me, basically. I'm dying. Okay, let me show you. Uncle wants to show us the pumpkin. Who wants pumpkins? Put your order in. Oh, mashallah. Oh my. Oh. Look at that. In English it's a pumpkin, but you won't know it's ready for a while. And there's another one in there. MashaAllah. walaalo iska waran magacaaga xasuusi asma ana saamiya liira masha Allah beertii wad ka shaqeynaysaa biyanaad ku soo duwaysaa ma qadshi baa mise bambanooni waa bambanooni waa gartay waa aragtaa amba in yar baa beeraan ka shaqeynayo waan garan So this method of watering is called, I believe in English, furrow irrigation, or it's just flood irrigating basically. So you let the water out from one entrance, then you let it fill this one up. Once this is full, you close the entrance there, and then you continue, you open the doorway here, let it flood. Then when it's done, close it, the water keeps going. This is two things, the lazy man's way of watering and the rich man's way of watering. When you got water, that's what it is. It rained a bit and the soil just smells so good. If you know, you know. Motherland adventures. So cute. We arrived and like everyone was working. Mom, wife, kids, father. Like that is so cute. I never grew up on a farm, so I'm so jealous of the daily activities on a farm. But I see a luxury that I wish I had. My little baby running around like that, how cute. And then my, you know, my eldest working on the water channels. I'm dreaming a little bit too much. Just keep going, don't judge me. My kore up here picking all the mangoes even though they're not ripe. Everything in our dreams. I'm just inspired. Alhamdulillah. Okay, back to work. Sammy Shekabadan, I was daydreaming a little too much there. Viva Sa'lan. Kormaad ka xidhaa? Yeah. Kormaad saa u aastaayo xidhaa? ها وارنتا هذا وشقيني سو نظيف ويان كواغ انا نشقيني باسكا اسكا جاي بريق كان باش هذا كنت تجابينه كان مركوب بحسابه ايش هيك انك كلام فوري هاي استعمالها سما ما حدا تصل حدا يا سما sidaa leh hooyadii bay bartay hada aabaa ku baray hooyadii aababa وكان مريي اسكاي again لكن si fiican baan u furay sama halkaasaan dhigay markii wala halkaan dhigay khalad bay ahayd هذا كاميرا هاي أنا شقيني وكاية ساسما
وين بختي
حاجة وين كوريجنا ما كوركا لقى صو حرية اوكي let's go انا مري وين كاسة لقى حرية اوكي وصح halkaan ma ka xidha halkan ay waxba kuma beena waa runtahay who said girls can't be farmers who said it's a man's world I found my group out here lady farmers being born and bred mashallah ay waka She needs to close the water there so that it all comes in this way. Okay. Iska jooga ama kula shaqeeya ilaa berito maxaa kala la beerayaa beri ma tagaysaa ha school baad schoolkii baad ka gaadhaysaa sabtigaa la gelayaa
عربي ما تقان
may waa English waxa ku hadlay adaaf carabi ma garanaysaa English kana hadda baran class 1 kisoo kuma jirtay three baad ku jirtaa ana waan ku maleynayay three baad ku jirtaa ما شاء الله حربت هنا ضغطتها بتختار معلين بيرالي تختار سوا ما شاء الله هاي حاجة كحرنا بيها كركة لين كلاتشرة there's more work to be done. We're distracted a little bit because she is in school for everyone who thinks that this is not kosher, but it is. There you go. She's just on a few days off days after Eid, so she's here working on her father's farm. And she said she wants to be a doctor when she grows up. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. halkan ma kamsar baa ku jirta kamsar waan gartay waan garanayaa ma beera hooyadii beerteeda ka shaqeeyaayo waan garan سمي
فيها رتها
أي كنا واحد هنا سما
كده بس كده لين كمان كتجينا
ما كترين ها إلين كومتشري حاجة سنقلينا هاي أو حاجة سوكو لقي Hope you guys enjoy farm work with me and my new friend Asma. So everywhere I make little mistakes, she takes the shovel, fixes it. But I've watched all this happen on YouTube for the flood irrigating. I've just never gotten the chance to do it myself. So I really wanted to join her today. These are cilantro beds. And earlier over there we were doing green pepper. بس ولا حرة يا سوما أكيد كواد بانور دينايت كعنتها لغو سمايا بس وكا and then we're gonna close it up like this. There we go. Okay, mom's calling, gotta go. Wholesome morning with the birds. The monkeys haven't arrived yet. Did a little bit of cilantro farming. Hope you guys enjoy videos like this. If you do, leave us a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that too. Come on, we're almost at 100K. And yeah, let's go see what else we got going on today. Okay, Shayman, get can Jannah yar.
Jannah.
Yeah. Samina waxay ka heshay waa shaqooyinka yaa qabsan jirtay oo dhan. All your jobs. Well, when I saw that little girl doing it, I was like,
oh, I can do it.
I'm in. Yeah. I would always have done it, but they always look at girls weird when they start working in men type of jobs. But this is a different family and a really nice environment. So I found out that little girl was born right here under the mango tree. That's why she's a superstar. Note to self. Happy baby under a mango tree.
No, see that maha.
I know,
You have to teach the work.
Yeah, it's
She
just...
grow up with this environment, so she knows all the work.
Yeah, mashallah. Hey,
Furrow irrigate.
you're the one that taught me Furrow irrigating.
Yeah, I have the knowledge, but I never seen it actual Furrow irrigate.
Tifikum baad ka daawanay.
Tifigu magdawad.
Well, today I got to do it in real life and it was really, really fun. But it just makes you sad because you don't have that much water. You could never do that.
That's why I'm not a fan of it.
You could never do that in our situation without a well. We just are rainwater farmers, so we pinch every little bit, every drop. Marka farxalanaysid xitaa you have to farxala on top of the plants.
Yes.
Today she's like, here, go farxala. My body was like, I don't know if I can farxala in an open place. You always have to put like a bottle or a plate underneath you when you're washing your hands to make sure that that little excess water goes somewhere useful.
But halkan ma jirto scarcity of water.
Yeah.
Yeah,
the whole mindset is changed here.
How many food? He's fast.
Oh, get it away, get it away. Okay. Qarbosh says, waxa ka macaan this with some sugar, lemonade, Delicious. Okay, I want to show you guys a live example of grows with water and without water. So these two are the same seed, but for some reason, all you find in the market is this one. That's because they're so desperate and they pick them at this size and they sell them at this size. This is the full potential of the same seed. With water, without water.
Ja, verkligen. Wa-
I asked her to show me to take me to the washroom. She's so cute. She still has her little 8 shoes. How can I go for it? Okay, that was the funniest lock ever. African brain. The real test. Let me see if I can figure out this African brain lock. What did he do? I know. He literally. That should be this way. I did it. There you go. Voila. وين حري حمدا أين مري؟ It's just the best. I have the key, yes. We got a mango tree today, mashallah, tabarakallah. And we got the remaining 50 trees. These are lean danan, which are so spiky. Someone once said, like, why are all the trees here so thorny? It's just funny because I guess it's like that harsh environment defense. I don't know. But I'm really excited about this mango. Catch me in 20 years feeding my kids from a mango tree. Alhamdulillah, inshallah.